Welcome to Gab Sessions with Stephanie Marie, aka Gabbie. This is a space where we talk business, growth, and the messy middle of entrepreneurship, with a little real life mixed in. Every week, I'll bring you clarity, confidence, and momentum to help you create your version of success. Grab your coffee and let's dive in. Everyone's talking about AI, but here's the truth. The goal isn't to replace what you do. It's to leverage what you already do better. AI isn't about losing your edge. It's about reclaiming your time. Welcome back to Gab Sessions with Stephanie Marie, aka Gabbie, where we talk clarity, consistency, and momentum in both business and life. It's day 41 of the 90-day CEO sprint, and today we're diving into how to use AI as leverage, not as a replacement, not as some gimmick, not as some shiny object, but as a practical way to simplify what's messy and scale what works. Because when you know how to leverage it, AI becomes a multiplier, not a distraction. Let's be honest, most of us aren't afraid of AI itself. We're afraid of falling behind, missing out, or using it, quote, wrong. But here's the shift I want you to make today. AI isn't about doing more. It's about doing less better. It's leverage. When I started using AI intentionally, I didn't automate everything. I started with one question. Where am I spending too much time doing something a tool could help me streamline? That's it. Now AI helps me brainstorm content, summarize meeting notes, write podcast outlines, and repurpose posts, all while keeping my voice and values intact. It doesn't replace me, it supports me. Leverage means lifting more with less effort. And that's what AI can do if you use it wisely. So ask yourself today, where am I stuck in busy work that doesn't need my brain power? What process could I make faster, smoother, or easier with a little help from AI? How could AI help me amplify my human touch, not erase it? Remember, AI doesn't create clarity, it enhances it. The power is in how you use it. So here's your Tuesday move. Pick one area of your business to leverage this week. Think content creation, scheduling, emails, editing, brainstorming, repetitive tasks. Then choose one tool from the list and just start experimenting. Don't forget the time block because this can be a rabbit hole. So here are 10 beginner-friendly AI tools to explore. These are all tools I've personally used or tested. No tech degree required. 1. ChatGPT for brainstorming ideas, writing outlines, or simplifying your content process. 2. Descript for editing audio, video quickly, perfect for podcasts and reels. Repurpose.io automatically distributes your reels, TikToks, and shorts across platforms. Canva Magic Studio. This isn't one of my favorites, but it's out there and it is very beginner friendly. You can use Magic Write or Magic Switch for captions, post, and resizing. Notion AI. Organize your business notes, plans, and content ideas with structure. Metrical, one of my favorites. Schedule and analyze your posts across social media in one dashboard. Claude.ai. It's great for deeper research, long-form summaries, and creative writing. Gamma app turns ideas or notes into beautiful presentations and visual outlines. Runway ML, AI-powered video editing. It's great for creators. And Suna.ai, it creates short-form product videos and ad creatives in minutes. And then another one, we'll do a bonus 11, would be HeyGen. It's great if you're wanting to create an avatar or clone your voice. We'll do 12. Would be 11 Labs. And those are some of my favorites that I've been experimenting with, that I have implemented into my business, that I've implemented into my clients' businesses. And I highly recommend you just time blocking some time and experimenting where one of these would make sense in your business. So the real question isn't, will AI replace me? It's, will I learn how to leverage it to create more space for what matters most? Because when you combine strategy, simplicity, and smarter tools, you don't lose your authenticity, you multiply your impact. I'm Stephanie Marie, aka Gabbie, helping you create clarity, consistency, and momentum as you build your version of success. P.S. If you want help figuring out where to start, I've added the AI Made Simple toolkit inside Business Growth Society. It's a little worksheet that I'm putting inside my free community for clarity-driven entrepreneurs. It's your step-by-step guide to kind of simplify or start small. It's basically a recap of this podcast within worksheet format so that you can find your leverage point, and the link is in the show notes. So until next time, remember, messy momentum is still momentum. Thanks for listening to Gab Sessions with Stephanie Marie. If today's episode gave you clarity, confidence, or momentum, hit subscribe and share it with a friend who needs it too. Want to go deeper? You can join me inside Business Growth Society or email me at stephaniemarie@gabbie&company to see how we can work together. Remember, stop overthinking, start building, and create your version of success. I'll see you next time.